Hello everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. Are you guys done with Christmas already or waiting for the hustle and bustle of the holidays to be over? Well, I have a class for you that will be delivered in the beginning of January. This is the Hobby Haven class. It uses the bundle, the Creative Haven, the stamp set, and the dies. This has been very popular. We did our sweet surprise with it, and now we have a class for you as well. So in this class, you're going to get everything, shipped to your house, or you can pick it up at my home here in Rio Rancho. But you're going to have 6 projects. There's 6 cards. Let me show you the cards. So here's the first one. So this designer series paper, you do everything from baking, cooking, to reading, the different themes. So here's the first one. It says, "You deserve all the good things." There's this one, "So happy to have you in my life." And see the plants, they're just adorable. Here's a little fancy fold, well, gatefold, but it's usually they're like the same size on both sides. So this is an offset one. I have my piece of tape there to hold it down. And here's another fancy fold. And these die cuts all come in the designer series paper, which you're going to get half a pack included in your set. And look at this one is like a vanity, your vanity in your mirror, and the inside. And here's a fancy fold, and look, it's got the reading, the coffee, and it's also a gift card holder. So you can put your message and you can put a gift card in it as well. So those are the 6 projects. Your projects will come all packaged like so. They'll have their individual packets, so you have the materials to make them. You will use the designer series paper, the ribbon, and your embellishment. So you're going to get a package of the earthy dots, a bolt of the gingham ribbon, half a pack of the designer series paper that has the cutouts. I have my designer series paper all still inside the packet. But like I say, you have the different themes. And look, oops, there's the die cuts right there that you will use on your projects. So you're going to get, it's like over $25 in product, and you're going to have plenty left over to make some more projects. So this class is $43, shipped to your home. If you want to pick it up at my house in New Mexico, it's $35. So the registration will end on December 28th, so right after the holidays, and your kit's going to ship on January 5th, as long as, sometimes I can ship it earlier, just depending on if I get all the supplies on time. If there's any delays on or items on back order, it might be a little bit delayed. I will have the registration link for you to register for this class. And if you have any questions, please let me know. But this is a fun class for the beginning of the new year, and just fun projects. And there's 6 of them. All right, everyone, if you have any questions, again, let me know, and the registration link will be attached. Take care, everyone. Bye.